Alright, sweet, we got a package. Airmail from Hong Kong, electrical gadget for $6. Pretty sure it was about $6 I paid. Alright, let's open her up. So, they've included a little customs clearance card. Don't know what that's all about. This is the bit that I wanted. In my little bag, there's 100 solder tabs for 18650s. Oh, these going everywhere. There we go. Little strips. I got these for making battery packs easier. Get the trusty old separator going on. Here we go. 1, 2 like this. They should reach. Made for. Yeah. Have a look at that. They should make solder and that together a whole lot neater than these. The problem with that is, like, don't get me wrong, they're normally pretty good joints, but you've got to strip the copper strands, and you want something reasonable gauge to transfer a bit of current. And then you got to tin the copper, and then you got to clean the top of the battery to tin it, and then put it on there, get it fairly hot, and make your connection. There's these little strips. Should save me a bunch of time. Right, I'm just going to see if we can solder one. See if we can set the camera up to watch. Alright, so it's definitely a neater way of doing things. Quite a bit happy with that. It's probably a bit bulgy, but first time using the trade flame soldering iron I got today, 12-volt one. Yeah, good little purchase for $5. 100 of them. It's 50 cells I can put together for $5. They must be tinned copper or something like that. Don't care, I'll definitely be buying more. Good thing. Little bag worth, well worth having. Yeah, it's excellent. So is this thing. The soldering iron is very, very quick to heat up. Got plenty of grunt. It's actually significantly smaller than my other one, which is just a straight AC one. And there's no dramas running this on the power supply. It's happy to run it. Be fine on the Xbox power supply because it puts out about 16 or 17 amps. So it's not even going to know that's going. It runs the LiPo chargers normally. Yeah, quite happy. Alright, it's a trade flame soldering iron. These are nice little solder strips off eBay. $5 for 100 of them. Yeah, including postage from Hong Kong. Can't really go wrong. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, like them, subscribe to them, whatever. Any questions, shoot me a message. Thanks for watching.